Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailshake for link building prospecting campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailshake account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New Campaign button to create a new campaign. Select Prospecting Campaign from the list of options. In the campaign settings, give your campaign a descriptive name. Next, define your target audience by entering keywords related to your niche. You can also upload a list of domains or email addresses if you have them prepared. Set your search parameters to filter prospects according to relevance and authority. Click on Find Prospects to generate a list based on your criteria. Review the generated prospects and remove any irrelevant entries. Now, move on to the email sequence setup. Create your first email template by clicking on Add Email. Craft a personalized subject line that is engaging and relevant. In the body of the email, introduce yourself and clearly state your purpose. Make sure to include a call to action that encourages a response. Save this email template for future use. Repeat the process to add follow-up emails to your sequence. Set the timing for each follow-up to ensure timely responses. Next, set up tracking to monitor engagement on your emails. Click on Tracking and enable options for open and click-through rates. You may also want to integrate with your CRM for better management. Once everything is set, review your campaign for final adjustments. After confirming all details, click Launch Campaign to start prospecting. Monitor your campaign's performance regularly to optimize future efforts. Adjust your strategies as needed based on the responses and engagement you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.